Tesla Cybertruck ends up with Dodge Ram-shaped imprint. A Tesla Cybertruck ended up with a bent rear bumper and a Dodge Ram-shaped imprint on its tailgate after it was involved in a rear-end collision. The Cybertruck owner has alleged that the incident was due in no small part to the Ram driver using his phone while driving. The Cybertruck owner, who goes by the username uwamsonkas on Reddit, shared his experience and a couple of photos of the incident's aftermath in the r/Cybertruck subreddit. As per the Tesla driver, the crash happened just 450 miles into his ownership, which was extremely unfortunate. The Tesla owner noted that he and his passengers were fine, and that they didn't really feel the impact of the crash. 450 miles in, got rear-ended. A look at the photos of the incident's aftermath shows that the Cybertruck looked generally unscathed from the collision. Granted, its rear bumper was bent by the impact from the Dodge Ram, but the tailgate itself did not seem to be damaged much. Interestingly enough, a rather noticeable imprint in the shape of the Dodge Ram's grille could be seen on the Cybertruck's tailgate. Photos of the Dodge Ram following the crash showed that the damage to the combustion-powered pickup was significant, as the entire front of the truck was crumpled. The severity of the damage in the Dodge Ram's front end suggests that the vehicle might be totaled. That being said, the Cybertruck driver noted in a later comment that the crash was largely caused by the Ram driver being on his phone. If you're ever in an argument with another car, you will win, Elon Musk. Cybertruck needs a new bumper after being rear-ended. The Ram is totaled. Reactions to the Cybertruck crash have been varied on social media, with Tesla supporters noting that the all-electric pickup truck seems to have handled the collision well and that the vehicle might just need a new bumper before it is fully restored. Critics, however, opted to place the blame on the Cybertruck and its driver, with some claiming that the incident was proof that the vehicle had no crumple zone at the rear. That being said, there are some valid concerns about the incident. Despite its lack of exterior damage, the Cybertruck may have incurred damage to its internals, which would likely be very costly to repair. This was the case with a Rivian R1T, whose minor fender bender ended up as a $42,000 repair job. Due to the crash affecting a panel that reaches from the back of the R1T all the way to its front roof pillars. Other Tesla owners also noted that the repair period for the truck would likely be substantial as the EV maker is still ramping the production of the all-electric pickup. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.